Good day, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Fractions to Percents. That's right, today we're going to be talking about how to convert fractions like 1/10 here into a percent. And this is just one method that you can use. Remember that percents are always out of 100. Percent actually means per 100. And so all I need to do is come up with an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 100. And to do that, I can just say, well, 10 times what equals 100? Well, I know that 10 times 10 equals 100. And what I do to the bottom, I got to do to the top. 1 times 10 is 10. And 10 out of 100 is the same as 10%. And now let's see if it works with 2/5. 2/5 needs to have a denominator of 100. So let's go ahead and set up an equivalent fraction and then ask ourselves, 5 times what equals 100? Well, 5 times 20 equals 100. And what I do to the bottom, I've got to do to the top. 2 times 20 is 40, and everyone knows that 40 out of 100 is 40%. Because in actuality, 40% means 40 per 100, right? Right. All right, now let's see if it works with this funky looking fraction right here, this 53 over 50. Now we want to have the denominator become 100, so we'll set up an equivalent fraction. 50 times what equals 100? 50 times 2 equals 100. And what I do to the bottom, I've got to do to the top. And 53 times 2 is 106. And 106 out of 100 is 106%. And finally, we come to your friend and mine, 8/25. 8/25 can be rewritten with a denominator of 100 by simply multiplying 25 by 4. And then, of course, what I do to the bottom, I've got to do to the top. And 8 times 4 is, in fact, 32. 32 per 100 is the same as 32%. Now, comes the finale. We see if I actually did these correct. Da, 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 da. Yay. Da, 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 da. Yay. The crowd goes wild. Everybody freaks out. They're all correct. Woo! That is one way that you can convert a fraction to a percent.